Right, so I am trying out the Aerobars and the new Action4 that I bought recently. I'm gonna give it a shot. Curious to see how they hold up on the road. Different day, I'll take them on to the mountain. Let's see the audio as well while we're at it. I have to get something in the middle of these, otherwise I'm all skewed. Alright, let's give it a try.
She bluffing cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are. Oh, top drawer. Oh, yeah. Honey, I need you. Just a motherfucking kiss. Oh, make money, fuck bitches. Yeah, Pittsburgh. Hey, John. Hey, these hoes is drunk. Wanna come and smoke this blunt? Then let me take them home and do anything I want. I said, baby, I can ride ya. Just let me get inside ya. I can take you higher if you hit this vape